Hello and welcome to the Salesforce AI course. If you want to learn how AI is being implemented inside Salesforce using Agentforce, AgentScript and prompt templates, then this course is for you. This course is your one single destination to learn the modern AI capabilities available on the Salesforce platform with a strong focus on practical implementations. With Agentforce, Salesforce is entering the next wave of AI after predictive and generative AI. Now we are moving into the era of AI agents that can reason, take action, and assist users across different channels. So if you want to understand the latest AI innovation within the Salesforce ecosystem, or if you are preparing for the Agentforce Specialist Certification exam, then this course will give you both the conceptual understanding and the hands-on experience required. This is a fully hands-on course. We will build everything from scratch so that you gain a deep understanding of every concept instead of just learning theory. We will start by exploring the new Agentforce Studio and understand the core building blocks of Agentforce. These include topics, instructions, and actions. Once you clearly understand these components, we will start building agents using the Agent Builder. You will learn how to design agents visually using the canvas and also how to build advanced logic using the new scripting language called AgentScript. After building these agents, we will learn how to deploy them to different channels so they can interact with users in real-world scenarios. We will also cover advanced AgentScript concept and understand how AI agent can seamlessly hand off conversation to human agents when needed. Another important area we will cover is employee agents. These agents are designed for internal Salesforce users and departments such as sales agent, finance agent, support agent, HR agent. You will learn how to create different types of employee agent that can automate internal workflows. To support these agents, we will build custom actions using flows, Apex, and prompt templates so that the agent can solve real business problems. Along with the implementation, we will also build a strong conceptual understanding of the Salesforce AI architecture. You will learn how the AI and data layer work together, how the Einstein trust layer protects customer data, and how guardrails help ensure safe and reliable AI response. We will also explore the different types of agent that can be created using the Agentforce platform. This includes record trigger agents, Slack agents, voice agents, headless agents, and agents designed for setup automation. For each of these, we will look at real-world use cases and build them step by step. Moving further, we will dive into advanced concepts such as working with unstructured data using Data Cloud and RAG, managing session and context variables, and creating custom Lightning components to improve the UI of agent responses. You will also learn how developers can invoke agents programmatically using Apex and Lightning Web Components through Agentforce Pro Code capabilities. After that, we will move to another powerful generative AI capability within Salesforce, which is prompt templates. Prompt templates allow us to create reusable AI prompts that can be used across flows, Apex, and Salesforce application. You will learn how to build different types of prompt templates such as field generation prompts, record summary prompts, flex prompts, and sales prompts. We will also cover how prompt templates work with Apex and Flow. First, we will see how prompt templates can retrieve data using Apex and Flow, and then we will see that how to invoke prompt templates programmatically using Apex, Flows, and REST API. In addition to building custom AI solutions, we will also implement several out-of-the-box AI features available in Salesforce Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. These include features such as Einstein service replies for email and chat, Einstein knowledge creation, AI-generated search answers, Einstein call summaries, and Einstein call explorer. You will learn how to enable and configure these capabilities so that you can quickly bring AI-powered automation into your Salesforce organization. We will also cover important concepts such as model context protocol, bringing your own large language models using Model Builder. We will also take a look at Agentforce Vibes, which is Salesforce Enterprise Vibe Coding platform. By the end of this course, you will have a strong theoretical foundation and practical skills required to design, build, and deploy AI-powered agents and applications on the Salesforce platform. So with that, let's get started and begin our journey into Salesforce AI and Agentforce.